Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to create a WordPress website for free. Whether you're starting a blog, building a portfolio, or launching a small business site, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to choose a hosting provider. For a free option, we'll use WordPress.com. Go to WordPress.com and click on Start Your Website. You'll be prompted to create an account. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Apple ID. After signing up, you'll be asked to choose a domain name for your site. Pick a domain name that reflects your site's purpose. For free plans, your domain will include WordPress.com in the URL. Once you've chosen a domain, click Select, and then Proceed. Next, choose a plan. For a free website, select the free plan. This will give you basic features and include WordPress branding. Click Continue to move forward. Now it's time to select a theme. WordPress offers a variety of free themes to choose from. Browse through the options and select one that fits your style. Click Activate to apply the theme. With your theme selected, it's time to customize your site. Go to your dashboard and click on Customize under the Appearance tab. Here you can change your site's title, tagline, and colors, and even upload a logo. Now let's add some content. Click on Site in your dashboard, then Pages to add new pages like About or Contact. To add posts, go to Posts and then add New for blog entries. Don't forget to adjust your site's settings. Click on Settings in the dashboard to configure your site title, tagline, and other options like time zone and privacy settings. Finally, preview your site to make sure everything looks good. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Publishes to make your site live. And that's it! You've successfully created a WordPress website for free. With these basic steps, you're now ready to start sharing your content with the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.